So guys, we're about to see some crazy gains in the crypto space with altcoins right now. Bitcoin has been pumping, altcoins are starting to wake up, and there's a specific sector where you can make an easy 5x off of a few coins just based off of where they were in the March highs. And I want to talk about those specific coins where you could be allocating money to make some good gains and the specific sector that you should be focusing on right now. But if you're new to the channel, go and check out the rest of my content. I'm just a beginner in the crypto space, showing you guys my wins, my losses, my crypto portfolio, keep you guys up to date with what's going on in the crypto space, and then quick videos like this showing you where you can make some quick gains. But other than that, let's go ahead and jump into it. So guys, as I said, Bitcoin has been pumping and altcoins are starting to wake up. And as altcoins started to wake up, AI has started to outshine a lot of other sectors, and I want to talk about that. So, with the popping of, crypto and everything going on, it was a green day for AI a few days ago and currently right now as we look at a few of these coins. But he's saying, Luca is talking about how when Bitcoin kicks off in the bull run and it hits towards, that 120K variable that everyone is thinking, he expects some AI projects to move super hard, smashing through multi-billion market caps, and the real alpha is spotting them early. Get ready. And he talks about Desync, PAL, Zig, OXO, GPU, Anyone, Hash AI, and Palm, which a few of these coins I'm currently invested in, which I want to talk about, and the X potential behind a few of these coins. Overall as well, some dope news around the AI sector and why we believe it's going to be pumping hard. BlackRock and Microsoft just invested $30 billion into the AI sector. They're pumping money into multiple AI projects, but no one is telling you about it. And in this post, he talks about how you can track their wallet and see the specific coins they're talking about. But overall, it's just bullish that they're investing so much money in the AI sector, and any companies that are revolved around the technology that they're investing in are going to move hard. And if you're focused on those projects and you invest in them, you could potentially make some crazy gains. And then I wanted to show you guys a post from Alex Becker. Don't know if you guys are completely aware of who Alex Becker is, yeah, he's a funny crypto guy. But he's talking about back in March. This was back in March earlier of this year. One of the coins we're going to be talking about, Kondux. He was talking about how he was enjoying the near 9x on Kondux in 7 days. With links to NVIDIA, business to business, SAS, so specific things that this company is linked to, unique AI, NFTs, AI learning, blah, blah, blah. He talks about how it's an easy play. But guys, this AI project, AI gaming, and ties with, other companies and stuff like that, it saw a near 9x in 7 days back in March, and currently it's down. If you look at the price that he has it listed at right here, whenever he was, talking about it all hyped, it's at 18 cents. Currently, it's not sitting at 18 cents. It's currently sitting at around like 2 or 3 cents, which we're about to talk about. This is where you can make some crazy gains if you're paying attention, guys, and what's going on with specific sectors and coins. So let's go ahead and jump into my portfolio. Guys, I'm invested into a few of these coins. I want to be transparent with everybody with this YouTube channel. The coins that I'm invested in that we're going to be talking about today is Hash AI, Destra Network, Palm AI, and Kondux. Those are the AI projects that I'm currently talking about today that I'm invested in. I have a video talking about these specific projects and why I'm invested in the technology, why I really like the communities and the projects, but that's a whole nother video, guys. If you want to see that, drop me a comment down below. I'll talk all about the projects in specific. You can also check out my other videos talking about it, but we're just going to talk about the X potential today. So overall, Hash AI, the first project right now, currently sitting down at 0.0006. So guys, I'm going to show you how to find the quick X potential on this. Overall, as you can see on my calculator, I already have it set up. The all-time high for Hash AI, which these projects are so new, which is why AI projects in the AI sector is so freaking bullish. But this earlier in the year was at an all-time high of around 0.003. So we divided the all-time high by the current price of what it's at, and that's a 5x potential, guys. So you can do the math if you were to put $500, of course, times the 5x, you can make you a quick $2,500. And this is not even counting the new all-time highs that these coins can hit. We have a few price predictions I'll put at the side currently right here from a few altcoin, traders, inspectors, analysts, fundamentalists that follow all this stuff. I don't like to put crazy, X potentials like this. I do believe this coin has the potential to do a quick 10 to 15x, but there is some crazy X potentials on this coin, and that's why you need to be following other people. But if you wanted to just make a quick play based off of where it previously was and more than likely where it's going to retrace, you can make a quick 5x off of this coin, guys. A quick $2,500, which is dope. Hash AI, the first project where you can make some quick gains. All right, next is going to be Destra Network, guys. Currently, this coin, let's go ahead and do the math so you guys can see exactly what I am talking about in real time. But currently right now, if we looked at the max, you want to go ahead and click max on each chart so you can see the whole overall chart potential. Some coins like the AI sector, they have been here for multiple years. I like to look at where they were in March so that you can see what they've been doing this year, not, you know, previous years and all that other stuff, which more than likely they're going to reach those highs if they're well fundamental projects and have good backing. But I'm talking about where they were earlier this year and where they're going to go before they reach those new all-time highs. So you can see Destra is sitting at around 46 cents when it was at its all-time high. So if we go ahead and just put the 46 cents and we divide it by what it's currently sitting at, which is 17 cents, we can see that you can get an easy 2.7x off of this coin, guys. And these little x's that I'm talking about is to make quick gains, quick money. Now these coins are going to see crazy x potentials. Like I said, Destra also has a potential to do anywhere from a 15 to 20x potential. A lot of people love this coin. Like how I said, there's a few crazy predictions, which I'll keep showing you guys the predictions that other altcoin investors have, just because they've been more, you know, well fundamentalized into the crypto space when it comes to altcoins and what the x potentials are behind these coins. But based off of where this coin was in March, you can make a quick almost 3x off of this coin just to make a quick safe play. All right, now if we jump into Palm AI, which is a coin I currently invested in not too long ago, I already made like almost like a 2x off of this coin, but currently right now it's sitting at around 54 cents. If we look back at March, whenever it was, you know, everything was peaking, it was currently sitting at around $1.81. So if we go ahead and pull up the calculator and do the maths on it, we got $1.81, right? And then we divide that by what we currently are sitting at, which this project is one of the more stronger projects. You can see that this is a quick 3.3x, almost a 3.5x, which is a quick gain, guys. This project is also backed by a few big projects and specific technology partners like Google and a few other ones. But like how I said, I don't want to jump into the specifics about these projects. I'm just invested into these because I know that they're going to do some crazy gains, and I want to talk to y'all about how you can make some crazy gains on these as well, some quick exits. This is not financial advice by any means. I'm just documenting this process and showing you guys what's possible. But guys, that's Palm AI, almost a 3.5x. This coin is really dope. I already made some crazy gains on this and plan on seeing it rip in the next few weeks. All right, guys, next one, Kondux. This is one of the ones on the higher end of the spectrum. Also, this is the coin that Alex Becker was talking about earlier whenever I was showing you guys. But as you can see, whenever it was peaking out, it was sitting at around 15, 7, it was more like around 17 cents, but right here you can see it's at around 16. So if we go ahead and do, I keep having to do that, I'm sorry, I should just not close it out. But it was sitting at around 17 cents, right guys? So if we do the 17 cents and we divide it by where it's currently at, right? So it's at like 2.9, let's not discount the 9. That's almost a 6x, guys. So you're almost making a 6x off of this coin just by investing into the coin and it going back to where it was in March. That's that. This coin, I'm just reminding you guys, whenever we look at what happened with Alex Becker, it did nearly a 9x in 7 days. So this is where I'm telling you, you know, you can make some gains by keeping up with these projects and seeing exactly what's possible with, you know, the X potential around them. But overall, if you look at how much you can make with this one, it's currently sitting at around a 6x. So, you know, let's just go ahead and do the X potential. We haven't been doing them for the other ones, but let's just say we did $500 by that 6 real quick. You'd make a quick 3 grand, guys, or $2,500, of course, because your $500 investment, but a quick 3 grand, which is freaking awesome. And that's that. We're not even counting what it can peak at. Like I said, I'll keep putting the price points. This one's around Kondux. I think this coin can also hit, you know, upwards of around a 15 to you know, 20, 30x, but only time will tell. This coin is really revolved around some strong sectors, and it already has some crazy price action. So these are a few coins that I was already invested in. Now let's talk about the specific other AI projects around the AI sector. So if we look at the top coins, guys, if you want to be safe, you can jump into like the Near protocol. There's FET, Render, Akash, AOS Network, there's a lot of good ones at the very top, and these ones are the safer bets just because they're well structured companies. But where you can make the crazier gains is on the lower cap coins, where you don't really see anyone truly jumping into them just yet, whereas all these other ones are more, you know, fundamentalized, already institutionalized and strong. So if you want to invest in the AI crypto sector, you can go look at a few of these top projects, do the math that I just told you, look at the project, see the community, see the marketing, see the backing, the investors, everything around it, the specific founders of the project, and then from there make some decent gains, guys, from doing your own research. You need to do your own research, but I'm just showing you guys a few coins where you can make those crazy gains. So let's talk about a few more coins on the list as well. So we already talked about Destra, Hash, Palm AI, and a few other ones, but let's talk about a few coins on this list like FET, which is a top coin, where you can still make some crazy gains, and they're a strong coin that has been here for a second. So like I said, you want to go click on the max chart. Once you click on the max chart, we can see back in March what it was currently sitting at. When it peaked, you can also see it was at $3.10. So if we go over here, we put the $3.10, and then we divide that by what we are currently seeing. Yeah, we divided it by $1.59. Then we can go ahead and see that would be sitting at around a 2x. Now, of course, this is a lower x potential, but that's what comes with a lower risk project that you're investing in. Whenever you're investing in the stronger projects, you're not going to get the crazy X potential, but you're in a more safer project, and more than likely your investment's going to be okay. So you can make some decent gains, guys, with this FET project as well, around almost a 2x, but not as crazy as those other ones. All right, let's jump into a few more of these other projects. Only got a few more for y'all. All right, POW AI, guys, this is another coin that a lot of people have been talking about. Like how I said, all you do is go to the max. Let's look at where it was sitting at around March. It was sitting at around 78 cents. We go ahead and pull this up. Let's go ahead and do the 78 cents divided by the 0.23 cents, and we can see that this is actually a 3.39x. This is one of the coins on the lower end spectrum, so it has a higher x potential than the other coins that I was showing, than you know, FET, the previous coin I was showing you. But overall, guys, you can get almost a 4x out of POW, and like how I said, a lot of these coins are going to see more than just what we're seeing. This is just retracements to their current prices. Whenever we see new all-time highs, that's when we're going to see those 15, 20, 25x's, potentially even higher. All right, we have like a few more projects for y'all that I want to show you. So we said POW AI. Zig is actually not doing too well, but OXO as well, I want to show you guys. This one is actually pretty decent if you look at currently where it's sitting at. Right now it was, you know, sitting at around that 17-cent range. 49 cents is where it was sitting at previously. So if we go ahead and just do the math on this really quick, divided by where we're currently sitting, you can make a quick 3x off of OXO. People are talking about how this one's going to rip. People have made 6-figure investments into this AI coin. So overall, you can make a quick 3x, but potentially you can make even more whenever we start to see that full bull run. And guys, I can go on and on. There's a ton more coins. There's no GPU, which you guys should really check out, and anyone. But overall, I want to go ahead and just wrap up this video because I don't want this to be too long. Overall, AI sector is pumping really, really crazy. And the coins that you can see right now with Hash AI, you can make a quick 5x. Destra, a quick 3x. Palm AI, 3x. Kondux, 5x. POW AI, 4x. All these coins, guys, you got to be keeping up with what's going on in the crypto markets whenever they have the deviations to the lower points. But right now, we are on the verge of crazy gains, and these specific AI coins are going to start to rip. You got to be looking around for who is, you know, the strongest competitor in the AI sector, and all these coins that I mentioned today are going to see crazy gains. And I'm going to make an updated video talking about where these coins are going and where they have been and how much money you guys could have made. But like I said, this is not financial advice. I'm just documenting my journey and showing you guys the potential that you guys have and what is presenting itself. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. Like how I said, I'm just an intermediate trader in the crypto space, showing you guys my wins, my losses, documenting my crypto journey, keeping you guys up to date with the crypto events that are going on, as well as specific, you know, things you can take advantage of, like these deviations on a few of these AI coins and how the AI sector is about to start ripping. If you guys are new to the channel, drop me a like, drop me a comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about what's about to happen, as well as a few projects that you think I left out in this video. I drop daily content every day, so stay tuned for more content. I'm going to keep you guys updated on the markets, what's currently going on, and how we can stay profitable. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.